Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today, I'm going to give you a market update and we're going to talk about what's going on in the greater Palm Springs area real estate market. Our market sales continue to decline and are now running 41% below average. However, median home prices are continuing to hold steady. Let's take a look at some of the data. As you will see in this first slide, the median price of a detached home in the Coachella Valley rose last month by $10,000 and is currently $650,000, which is up 5.7% year over year. This monthly increase is somewhat expected since prices typically begin their seasonal rise around January. The price is now 8.5% below the peak price of $710,000 6 months ago. We will track its progress from here since it's important to follow the data and not opinions during critical times like this. In this next slide, you will see that on February 1st, Valley inventory stood at 2,025 units, which is slightly above last month and 1,429 units more than last year. Some of the inventory gain over the last few months was seasonal, but this factor was less than previous years. We had hoped that inventory might possibly reach 2,500 units by the end of February or March, but we don't think that will happen now. The primary reason inventory is not growing is that while sales are limited, new listings also remain very muted. These two tables display the price and price per square foot of an average size home in each city. The latest price is then compared to the price a year ago and to the all-time lows that occurred in 2011 and 2012. 5 cities continue to have double-digit price gains for their average-sized detached homes, with only Palm Desert having a negative year-over-year price change. And every city still has positive year-over-year price changes in their average-sized attached home. This next chart compares the current months of sales ratios by price bracket compared to last year. The blue bars are current ratios and orange bars are the ratios for last year. Just like city ratios, the ratios in every price bracket continue to far exceed year-ago levels. It should be noted that the chart still shows the normal pattern of higher months of sales ratios for higher priced homes, but the difference here is less than the difference in past markets. The average selling time in the region continues to increase. At the end of January, the median number of days in the market throughout the valley was 41 days, which is now 12 days more than last year. I think we've seen the low in this metric, and I believe it will be back to 50 or 60 days relatively soon. Conventional mortgage rates are now hovering around 6%, with jumbo loans just under at about 5.75 to 6%. And lenders are continuing to offer creative programs to help buy down the rate in the first 2 to 3 years of the loan. And some sellers and builders are willing to offer credits to accommodate those buy downs. So what does all of this information mean for buyers and sellers? For buyers, interest rates are moderating at around 6%. And some buyers are able to lock in sub 6% rates as dips occur. While the rate of listings coming on the market is slower than we expected, there are more homes to choose from than there were this time last year, giving buyers more choices. And sellers have been more accommodative to negotiating prices off of their list price and have been more willing to negotiate requests for repairs. And if you're a seller, while the market has definitely shifted in terms of a reduction in demand and an increase in days on the market, it has definitely not crashed. Homes that are priced well and are in great condition are still getting offers and sometimes multiple offers. Also, there are plenty of cash buyers still looking in our market, and especially at this time of the year. It's more important than ever to work with an experienced agent in our current market, and we'd like to apply for the job. If you have any interest in buying or selling in the Greater Palm Springs area, please reach out to us. Give us a call, text, or an email. Also, as always, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, reach out with those as well, and I'd be happy to make a video about it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.